दोस्तों, तो अक्टूबर मंथ का देखते हैं करंट अफेयर अब इस वीडियो में। ठीक है, तो यूनियन कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर अप्रूव्स मिशन फॉर आत्मनिर्भर इन पल्सेस एंड पल्सेस मिशन टू ड्राइव प्रोडक्शन टू 350 लाख टन्स बाय 2030। वीरेंद्र वट्स टेक्स ओवर एज डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ नेशनल कैडेट कोर्प्स। Shri Ashwini Vaishnav launch NIELIT Digital University, and these are 5 new centers: Bihar, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Mizoram, and Daman. Tribal Village Mission 2020-30 declaration to be passed in a special Gram Sabha on 2nd October. आदि कर्मयोगी अभियान एंड आदि सेवा पर्व। यूनियन मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर मनसुख मंडाविया launches My Bharat mobile application. This is the CSE's integration with My Bharat portal. RBI monetary policy. Now, repo rate is 5.50 and GDP is 6.8 from 6.5. There is 0.3% increase. CPI is 2.6%. Okay. Now, International Day of Non-Violence, October 2 is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Prime Minister Modi's condolence message on the demise of Padma Vibhushan Pandit Channulal Mishra, and he was the magical Mr. elevate the musical tradition of Banaras Gharana to new heights. Union Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav lays foundation stone of Namo One at Manesar to mark Wildlife Week 2025. India confirmed with prestigious ISAC Award for 2025 for outstanding achievement in social security. That was held in Malaysia. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the Kausal Dikshant Samaroh launching youth-focused initiative worth over 62,000 crore. Union Minister and Minister of Cooperation Amit Shah inaugurates and lays foundation stone for Goa State Government's Majhi Ghar Yojana and various development projects. GSL made fast petrol vessel ICGS Akshar commissioned into Indian Coast Guard. Historic launch of first commercial coal mine in Arunachal Pradesh at Namchik, Nampuk. Union Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav inaugurated Rajasthan first Namo Biodiversity Park in Alwar. Setting up of Namo Semiconductor Laboratory at IIT Bhubaneswar approved to be help develop the talent pool for indigenous chip manufacturing and packaging abilities across Bharat. This Namo Semiconductor Lab will boost Make in India and Design in India initiative by equipping the youth with industry-ready skills. The lab will position at IIT Bhubaneswar as a hub for semiconductor research and skilling. Commissioning of INS Androth, the second ASW shallow watercraft, and Sail fuels INS Androth with indigenous steel, strengthening India's maritime self-reliance. President of India represent My Bharat National Service Scheme NSS Award for the year 2022-23, and 30 NSS volunteers represented with this award. Ministry of Textiles celebrates World Cotton Day, and Kasturi cotton will be India's pride, symbol of purity, quality, and sustainability. Indigenous customized temporomandibular joint TMJ implant successfully performed on 4 patients at MAIDS, marking a landmark in India's medical technology sector. And that is supported by ICMR and M Pragati IIT Delhi. India AI Impact Summit 2026 logo unites ethics, heritage, modern AI vision. Okay. And that took place in Mahatma Mandapam in New Delhi. That's India AI Summit. Dr. Jitendra Singh addresses the SATCOM at India Mobile Congress. India charts roadmap for lunar mission and space station by 2014. Enum platform expanded 9 new commodities added to boost India's largest digital agri platform. India-UK trade minister hold bilateral meeting in Mumbai, and that is called a JETCO. Deliver India-UK set against and deepen bilateral trade. Air Force Day parade, and the theme was Indian Air Force infallible, impervious, precise. That was on 8 October. That's 93rd anniversary of Indian Air Force. Breathable Art inaugurated in Delhi, an innovative living structure created using air-proof purifying plants, sustainable materials, while fostering awareness on air quality and sustainable living. MOHUA observes World Habitat Day on the theme Urban Solution to Crisis. MOU signed for skilling project under PM Vikas scheme between Ministry of Minority Affairs and IIT Prakti. Union Srikirti Vardhan Singh leads Indian delegation at IUCN World Conservation Congress in Abu Dhabi and launches India's National Red List map. India has launched the National Red List Assessment Initiative to fulfill commitment under Convention on Biological Diversity. Now, 23rd edition of Bharat Telecom 2025 inaugurated. Dravya portal to catalog 100 iOS substance in first phase and more than two. Okay. Exposition of Buddha sacred relics from India to Russia. Kalmykia Republic Russia, जो हमने पिछली बार भी देखा था. National E-Governance Division join hands with Bharat Taxi, a first of its kind cooperative driven citizen first national ride hailing initiative to be launched in December 2025. From Bharat to Balam, Delhi Declaration sets the stage for COP30, amplifying urban voices from Global South. Purple Fair 2025 launched in Goa. India and UK forged strategic partnership with the launch of India-UK Connectivity and Innovation Centers. Launches two major schemes in agriculture sector with an outlay of 35,440 crore. That is for the self-reliance of the country for welfare. Two new schemes are being launched: PM Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana and Dalhan Atmanirbhar Mission. ओके, तो पहली है PM धन धान्य कृषि योजना, दूसरी है दलहन आत्मनिर्भरता मिशन. ओके, revamped Sugamya Bharat app launched at Purple Fest that was held in Goa. Okay, Sugamya Bharat app. Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu introduced Alliance Airfare Se Fursat, fixed airfare scheme. PM Gati Shakti offshore launched to strengthen integrated offshore planning and boost India's blue economy. Ministry of Mines classified limestone as major mineral completely. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw highlights Google AI Hub as a game changer for India's digital economy, driving AI first infrastructure, clean energy and high value job creation. Raksha Mantri releases a book titled Ready, Relevant and Resurgent to Reshaping a Future Ready Force, authored by CDS and the CDS of India Chief of Defence Staff General is Anil Chauhan. Telecommunication Consultants India Limited TCIL honored with an HR Excellence Award at Fortune Leadership Awards 2025. Google's 1 gigawatt hyperscale data center in Visakhapatnam to generate 10,000 crore for Andhra Pradesh. 16 WHO IRCH annual meeting begins in Jakarta to strengthen global cooperation on herbal medicine regulation. Union Home Minister Amit Shah expresses happiness on Commonwealth Association approval for India's wish to host Commonwealth Games in Ahmedabad 2030 in Ahmedabad. Indian Navy hosts the 5th edition of bilateral exercise Samudra Shakti 2025 with Indonesian Navy at Visakhapatnam. Military combat parachute system indigenously developed by DRDO successfully tested at 32,000 feet altitude. Climate finance technology capacity building support remains central for fair transition at G20 Environment Ministry meeting in Cape Town. Ministry of Mines releases State Mining Readiness Index and State Ranking as to encourage mining sector from state level. Cabinet approves Pradhan Mantri Viksit Bharat Yojana to enhance job creation, employability and social security in all sectors. India has developed its first indigenously discovered antibiotic nafithromycin, which is effective against resistant respiratory infection, particularly useful for cancer patients and poorly controlled diabetics. India moves to 9th position globally in forest area, continues to rank 3rd in annual forest gain. Okay, so and ICT launches 2 fast petrol vessels, ICG Ajit and ICTS Aparajit. Ajit and Aparajit. Delivery of Mahi, first anti-submarine warfare shallow watercraft built by CSL Kochi. Mahi, named after the historic town in the Union Territory of Pondicherry, symbolizes India's rich maritime heritage. It is launched 23rd of October. INS Vikrant, India's first indigenous aircraft carrier and landmark naval capability. PM Abhim, building pandemic-ready healthcare infrastructure. Okay. India to host Asia Pacific Accident Investigation Group meeting in Berkshire for first time. First time है इसलिए important. Government of India announces राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान पुरस्कार 2025 to honor excellence in science, technology and innovation. There are 4 awards: Vigyan Ratna, Vigyan Shri, Yuva Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar and Vigyan Team. So Vigyan Ratna important है किसने जीता? प्रोफेसर जयंत विष्णु नलिकल फिजिक्स पोस्टमसली हैं. और टीम का भी देख सकते हैं, विज्ञान टीम अरोमा मिशन CSIR एग्रीकल्चर साइंस. Union Home Minister, Ministry of Cooperation, Amit Shah inaugurates deep sea fishing vessels under the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana at Majgaon Dock, Mumbai. Classical languages that has been added recently. These are Marathi, Pali, Prakritic, Assamese and Bengali on October 3rd. Okay, so there are total 11 Indian classical languages now. Okay. Ministry of Coal is set to launch Koila Shakti Smart Coal Analytics Dashboard. Startup accelerator WaveX collaborates with T-Hub, world's largest startup hub, to save the future of India's media tech entrepreneurs. Nationwide launch of first of its kind model Youth Gram Sabha initiated on 13 October in New Delhi. APEDA facilitates first ever air shipment of GI tagged Indi and Pulliyakuri limes from Karnataka and Tamil Nadu to the UK. Okay, what is Indi and Pulliyakuri limes? Okay, Rashtriya Ekta Divas, a pillar of national cohesion. That is 150th anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. That is for 31st October. Okay, Rashtriya Ekta Divas. Okay. Now, Marine Fisheries Census 2025 goes fully digital. Vyas apps to enable real-time geo-referenced data collection. Okay, guys. So this is for October month. Thank you. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करें. Thank you.